Portugal. Just gone one up myself, MCB. And then the wind got really severe, and
Feeling good, still don't have a point yet today. 17 to go to, so I'm looking forward to the next hole.
Good! Good! Yes!
If there's something strange in your neighborhood, who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! If there's something weird and it don't look good, who you gonna call? Ghostbusters!
How's the tour been so far?
Nah, it's been a privilege. Early days.
Highlight of the tour?
Playing with Paulie, it's been good.
Something strange in your neighborhood, who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! Tell me how you love me, tell me who the hell is above me. Who else really tryna fuck with Hollywood Code? I'm with Marley G, bro, flying Holly Grove chicks to my Hollywood shows. And I wanna tell you something that you probably should know. This that Slumdog Millionaire Bollywood flow. And my real friends never hearing from me. Fake friends write the wrong answers on the mirror for me. That's why I pick and choose, I don't get shit confused. I got a small circle, I'm not with different crews. We walk the same path, but got on different shoes. Live in the same building, but we got different views. I got a couple cars I never get to use. Don't like my women single, I like my chicks in twos. And these days all the girls is down the road. I hit the strip club and all them bitches find a pole. Plus I've been sipping, so this shit is moving kinda slow. Just tell.
How's it been so far?
Yeah, no, not so good, Lanzi.
What happened today?
Managed to escape a willeting, which was the positive we're taking out of it, but yeah, went down 4 and 3. Yeah.
No, bro. No, bro. Hey, bro. Hey, bro. Hey, bro.
Come on! Yes! So, Mr. White, how are you feeling about your team so far after yesterday?
Jeez, awesome recovery. And
You think that you guys got the momentum going forward? And singles? Singles?
Huge momentum. Singles, that's where we're going to come.
There was a big team talk last night, I saw it at the club.
Yeah, no, that
Boys-
team talk I think made it.
Boys dug in.
Very stoked.
Unbelievable.
5-1 down the girls after day one. Went to the casino, won that. Went to the jaw, won that. Sang, won the singing. And now we came out today. 5-1 turnaround, 6-6 into the final game.
You and Jazzy.
So Jazzy transitioned from a fade to a draw mid-round.
Jazzy also needs.
It was the most adventurous. It was hectic, okay? And then he just pure today. Jazzy struck the ball better than Shaw. He hit a 6-iron better than Shaw Schwartzel hit a 6-iron on the last hole to win the match against
Last hole?
on the 18th. Yeah, it was amazing.
Sick. Mr. Rodriguez,
What's happening, LG?
I just hear that you hit a 6-iron better than Shaw Swartz on the 18th.
I just touch and go. It's like, yeah, I'd say I'm not generally what's the word?
A ball striker?
No, not a ball striker.
Dickhead?
I'm not usually a dickhead, but I actually fucking nailed it. I nailed it.
That's epic. And what did you get on the 18th? You won the 18th to win.
Yeah, got a parbury, we went to and duck, so it was beautiful. It's honestly one of the funnest days of golf in my life.
Brent had a tough one.
Explain what happened, please.
The rest of the team.
Yo, they're just Croaks and Jackals just dovetailed like demons.
3 up, 3 to play. 3 up, 2 to play.
Croaky did hit the biggest pressure bunker shot I've ever seen on the 17th. You, Jonesy, how did it go?
We lost on the last, unfortunately.
Tough one.
It was a
hurt.
tough one, unfortunately.
I could hear you and Jazzy from fucking three holes away, just knocking the whole way. But a good one.
It was lekker. It was lekker. Kale's got about 25 fines, so we're going to see him in hospital tomorrow.
But Kale, shotgun super. How's tour been so far?
Tour has been fucking good.
Happy birthday, boy.
My boy.
Hey?
Playing against Bryn Rock, bit of a washed up previous golf hero. I think he leaves in that flat tomorrow quite dejected and disappointed, just another cold pack who try to be a Raji.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling really, really
And your
good.
picks?
I'm happy. I'm very happy. I think everyone's. I've spoken to everyone separately, individually, and
Really?
yeah, and I'm so confident.
Who are you playing today?
I'm playing against Jonesy, captain, best captain.
You're going to lead from the front.
And highlight of the tour so far?
Ripping the casino new one. 2 days in a row.
George, your highlight?
Maybe Jazzy and Blue Shirt's new romance.
Nero, what happened there?
Someone stole my shoes, bro.
Someone stole your shoes.
Someone that wants to die.
That's hectic.
It's very hectic, bro. I will find out who though. That person must be scared.
Highlight of tour, hiding in those shoes.
Where did you hide it?
On the cart, bro. He still doesn't know who did it. There he is. There's the man.
I'm a walking point.
Guaranteed. You're just hot.
I'm a walking point.
You seem to have a skip in your step. What happened last night?
I realised I was playing Andrew Smith today.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
And you got to channel the inner.
Skip came straight back into my step, bro. There's nothing I love more than a point.
Especially on championship day.
Especially on championship day, on moving day.
Moving, this is proper moving day.
It says, Tour Sunday, bro. Doesn't get bigger than this.
Good.
We're going out, save your whining for another day. It's the thing I wanna talk about. Listen up, you gotta hear me out. We'll get it done, my own way. I just wanna say, hey now, I haven't had a good laugh all day now. Hey now, you know you're down, let's do this right. Beamer. I think we should take it, yeah. Hey now, hey now, I haven't had a good laugh all day now. Hey now, you know you're down, let's do this right now. Hey now, up top we're the kings of the playground. Hey now, you know you're down, let's do this right now.
I wanna dance by water beneath the Mexican sky, drink some margaritas by swinging blue lights, listen to the mariachi play at midnight. Are you with me? Are you with me? Are you with me? Are you with me? I wanna dance by water beneath the Mexican sky, drink some margaritas by swinging blue lights, listen to the mariachi play at midnight. Are you with me? Are you with me? Mexican sky, drink some margaritas by swinging blue lights, listen to the mariachi play at midnight. Are you with me? Are you with me? I wanna dance by water beneath the Mexican sky, drink some margaritas by swinging blue lights, listen to the mariachi play at midnight. Are you with me? Are you with me?
To be free, do you hear the people singing the song of angry men? This is the music of the people blue, and thus he sings again. When the beating of your heart echoes the beating of the drums, there is a light about to start when tomorrow comes.
See my hands. Hold an oak. Hold an oak.
Let me show you how this putt is hit.
What was that?
That's a lot of responsibility for opening points on tour.
It was hectic.
Yo, I haven't felt that nervous on anything in my life.
Hectic. Are you not entertained?
Help me out, let me down. I could love
I could learn from